Hey everyone, I'm Heba and welcome back. Finally got my lipsticks from Lisa Eldridge and I cannot wait to try them and swatch them for you guys. I do have to say that the lighting may not be the best, but it's been a cloudy, rainy day for the past few days and it doesn't look like it's going to be letting up in the future. So I'm hoping that this will be okay. I did turn on my ring light this time and again, I'm hoping this would be okay. And I may sound a little nasally, so yeah, I do apologize that the lighting's not good and my sound is not good. But my spirits are high because I'll be playing with makeup, especially the Lisa Eldridge lipsticks. And I think I went overboard because I have 4 bags. First off, I did get one of her beauty lip kits, the one with the lipstick, lip gloss, and lip liner. And this one is in the shade Beauty. I don't think it's one of her new shades. And then the next one is the Velvet Romance collection. And this one has 2 of her new shades in it. And one shade that I've been looking at, but it's been sold out and it's finally been restocked, so I went ahead and got this collection. And then I made 2 of my Build Your Own collection. So yeah, I kind of went overboard. I'm also going to swatch the lipsticks that I have before from Lisa Eldridge too. Anywho, let's start with this beautiful velvet bag, and this is the Velvet Beauty Kit. And the design of this bag, it is beautiful. It's done by a graphic artist, John Jacobson. And he did this original artwork just for Lisa Eldridge. I'm sure that there's a story of how these two met. I don't know per se, but I do love this bag, and it's in that velvet material. And it also has her emblem, the L with the lips there. So I think I'm going to swatch this one first because it has the lip liner, lipstick, and the lip gloss. And there it is, comes all wrapped up in tissue. And these are the boxes of it. Let's go ahead and open up the lip liner. I do wish that she would sell this by itself. I'm hoping she'll do that in the future. And the shade Beauty is a little bit more pink than what I thought it would be. Okay, let me go ahead and bring you in closer and we will start swatching these. And if you're new to my channels, during my lip swatching videos, I have my makeup consultant with me, which is my husband. He'll be standing right there and kind of let me know which shade he likes. But since he's working today and I wanted to get this video out, we're gonna have to deal with not having my makeup consultant today. I know, it's a sad day for all of us, but I think we can make do. And here's the lip pencil, and I do like that it has the shade of it on the tip. And there is the pencil right there. I believe it's the type that you sharpen, and let's go ahead and start lining my lips. Oh, kind of messed up already. I have to say that it glided on very creamy. It didn't tug on my lips. And I do like the color, even though it is a little bit more pink than what I thought it would be. But yeah, it's very creamy, and I do wish that she would sell more of these by itself. All right, now let's go in with the lipstick, and it comes in her usual bullet. Yes, with the magnetic closure. That I just think it's so fun. First of all, let me show you what the lipstick looks like. I hope you can see the velvet texture of the lipstick. Let's see if you can see it that way. With my face in the background. It has that velvet texture, and it's just so pretty. You don't want to mess it up, but I do want to play with the shade. My lips are a little dry. Okay, and here is Beauty, and it's a new wave, vibrant rose pink with blue undertones. Now let's try the lip gloss, and I'm excited about this too. See what the doe foot applicator looks like. All right, like that. All right, let's go ahead and put it on. Wow, that is very pigmented there. And the texture of it is very nice. It's not sticky and it's not thick. Has a good slip to it. I love this color. I love this color. It does scream kind of spring to me, but I do like this pink. I don't think I have anything like this in my collection. But let me go ahead and swatch them for you, all 3 on my hand. There you go, and here is the pencil, the lipstick, and the gloss. And oh, that is a great combination. Oh, I kind of wish now I got more of the lip kits. That is pretty. That is pretty. I like it. And I have to say the lip gloss is really nice. I have 2 more shades of the lip gloss in my Build Your Own kit, so I can't wait to try those. But yeah, I'm real happy with this one. I'm upset that I didn't get more of her lip kits now, but oh well. I know she sells the lip gloss by themselves, but not the lip pencils. And I think all her lip glosses are sold out, I believe. Yeah, all her lip glosses are sold out. Bummer. I'm hoping they'll restock it soon, and I'm hoping again she sells these lip pencils by themselves because they glided on very nice. Okay, I'm gonna try not to make my lips so dry now. And forgot to mention that the lip kit sells for 63 British pounds. All right, now for the Velvet Romance collection, and I'm afraid it's sold out too. This one sells for 78 British pounds and it has 3 shades. 2 of them are new, Affair and Blush, and Muse is one of her old shades. Which one should I start with? Let me look here. Okay, let me start with her old shade, Muse. And again, it's in that velvet texture. Can we try to wet my lips? And I did want the shade Muse, but it's been sold out, so I was glad I was able to get it in this collection. It glides on very nice, and I like this shade. It's more like a nude for me. Velvet Muse is a sensual, smoky rosewood shade with a perfect mix of pinky brown and dirty rose undertones. I think if I use a lip liner, I think it will look a lot better. But I do love the tone of this shade. Now let's try one of her new shades, Velvet Affair, and this is a beautiful brown shade, and I love a good brown lipstick. Okay, I have to say it's a little bit lighter than Velvet Muse. I think I like this shade better than Velvet Muse, for a nude at least. And I like this shade. I love the brown tones with this. So Velvet Affair is an earthy, soft caramel brown with easygoing, cool girl vibes. It says this wonderful sticky toffee shade has a neutral, warm, golden undertones. And yeah, I can see the golden undertones here. Whereas Muse is more of a cool tone, this one is a warm tone, and I kind of like this one better than Muse. And it's so creamy. Yeah, I like this one. I like this one. I wish she made a kit with this shade. Because I think we can benefit, oh, piece of hair there. Because I think we can benefit from a lip liner and a lip gloss in this shade. Just my opinion alone. Now for the next new shade, Velvet Blush. And I believe this one in the kit already sold out. And that is Velvet Blush right there. Oh, I love this shade too. I love this shade too. Again, it glided on very nicely, and I forgot to mention that these are matte lipsticks. All her Velvet lipsticks are matte, which I don't mind that much because these are a creamy matte. Velvet Blush is a deep pink berry shade with muted, cool undertones. I do like this berry shade. I do like this shade. I can see why the kit was sold out. Missed out on that. Okay, let me swatch these 3 on my hand. All right, here's the Velvet Romance collection. Muse, Affair, and Blush. And I think I like these 2. That blush is a beautiful shade. Yeah, this blush is a beautiful shade. In the bag with the Velvet Romance collection, it is this beautiful, deep green shade. Look at that. I hope it can come off there in the camera. Next, we'll go with the Create Your Own collection. And I can't remember what's in here. But I did pick the blue velvet bag in this one. And you can see the blue in that. Beautiful. Also with her emblem, the L and her lips. I don't know if it's her lips, but lips. With this collection, I did pick up the other 2 new shades, Velvet Carnival and Velvet Dragon. And then I picked Myth, which is a deep shade. Okay, now my lips are really going to be dry by the end of this video. Oh, Myth is a gloss, not a lipstick. Let me see what I got in the last Create Your Own. Maybe I got the lipstick in that. I know, it's so bad where I don't even know what I bought. But let's do the 2 lipsticks first, the 2 new shades. And this one is Velvet Dragon. Oh, that's a beautiful shade. Again, with the velvet texture. I like this one too. Okay, this is a pretty fall color. And I do have to say that Velvet Dragon is sold out. It's a muted, burnt, soft, rusty red with warm yellow undertones. I like Dragon too. That is a pretty shade, especially right now. And I think that this goes well with my skin tone. Doesn't make me look too bad. Alright, and the other new shade that she came out with is Velvet Carnival, and this one is a bright pink. Yeah, this one does scream carnival, doesn't it? Oh yeah, I like it. It's a pop art pink that wears its party girl heart on its sleeve. It's an acid fuchsia with attitude. Here's Carnival and Dragon. Ooh, I like that. I like them both. I'm going to save the lip gloss last because let's see what the other Create Your Own lipsticks I got in this. There's 4 of them in here, so I think I just added an extra one. Yeah, because I did get Velvet Myth in the lipstick, so I'll group these together. Okay, in the last bag, I did get 2 lipsticks and 2 more glosses, so I have a total of 4 glosses. So let's do the lipsticks first. And these are the darkest shades that I did get. Let's go with Velvet Myth, and I also did get it in the gloss. And yeah, this one is a dark shade. Ooh, I like dark shades. And I like the point of her bullets because it does kind of line my lips a little bit. Velvet Myth is a wildly vivid mulberry shade, has notes of red and blue, and is particularly good for brightening the face and whitening the teeth. And yeah, it does whiten my teeth, doesn't it? Alright, and the last shade is her deepest shade, and it's Midnight. that's a vampy shade. Look at that. All right, let's try that. Okay, with Velvet, I'm going to use it as a stain first just to see what it looks like. And I watched one of her videos where she just grabbed some with her finger and then dabbed it on her lips to give it a stain, which it looks like I already have a stain on my lips from taking off all these shades. But yeah, let me go ahead and rub some on my finger and see how that would look. Did it stain my lips, or is it just from all the other lipsticks that I had on my lips? All right, let's just go ahead and apply the lipstick now. Now there is a difference between applying the lipstick and just using it as a stain. Okay, this one is vampy. That one is kind of dark. Velvet Midnight is for the classic vamp in every woman. A devastating darkest shade. It's a true plush blackberry hue. And yeah, this is a devastating dark shade. And I have a feeling if I didn't have to put and take off a lot of shades on my lips, it would look a lot better because it does have remnants of the other shades around my lips. But this one does require a special look and it's kind of nice. I like the dark shades. And when you know it, I forgot to put the lip gloss Myth over the shade before the lipstick Myth. So let's go ahead and do that now before I get to the two light lip glosses. You know, let's go ahead and try the lip gloss Myth by itself and see how pigmented this one is. Let's try that. Yeah, let's go ahead and do that. Okay, I have to say it's very pigmented for a gloss. It does have a nice slip. And you know what? I like the gloss by itself too. It does give you that pigmentation. The lip glosses cost 18 British pounds each, and all the lip glosses are sold out, but some of them are still available in those lip kits. But you know, I like Myth by itself without a lipstick. I'm kind of glad I did it that way. All right, here are the swatches of the two lipsticks and the gloss. Here's Midnight, that vampy shade. Here's Myth in the lipstick and Myth in the gloss. And now let's see the lighter shades. Let's go with this one, Muse. Okay, this shade Muse, it's not bad by itself, but I think it would be nicer with the lipstick too. That's just my opinion for me. Actually, this shade is not bad. If you have a minimum amount of makeup and you just want to, just have a little hint of color on your lips, this is not bad. And the last one that I did get is this one, Go Lightly, in the gloss. And I got this shade knowing that I have a lipstick with the same shade name, Go Lightly, and I thought it was from Lisa Eldridge. So when I looked back, no, it was from Christian Audette, Go Lightly. And I wanted to see if these two are similar. I hope I'm not confusing you guys. Go Lightly is an insanely pretty salmon pink coral shade, reminiscent of early 1960s Hollywood. You know what, let me swatch the lip gloss and the lipstick from Christian Audette together. I'm just curious, just for my own sake. Here's one by Christian Audette, Go Lightly, and yeah, they will work together. Look at that. Okay, maybe the gloss is a little bit deeper, but that lipstick and the gloss, I think, has the same kind of salmon-y, corally shade. All right, answered my own question. Let me swatch Muse lip gloss. Okay, and there is Muse lip gloss. And let me go ahead and swatch the lipsticks that I already have. It's just 3 of them, just real quick. I did do a video swatching these lipsticks, but let's just go ahead and put them in here. Velvet Morning is a hot and fiery bright orange red. And I went ahead and swatched Velvet Morning and Velvet Dragon so you can see these two shades together. Okay, which one's which? I forgot which one's which. Okay, I had to swatch it again to make sure. This is Velvet Morning and Velvet Dragon. So Velvet Dragon is more of a burnt orange, and this one is a bright orange. Velvet Ribbon is a vibrant, universal, classic, neutral blue red. All right, for the last one is Velvet Jazz, and I think that's going to be it for my lips. The last one is Velvet Jazz, and it's a muted, earthy brick red, inspired by the 1930s red lipsticks. All right, here's Velvet Jazz and Velvet Ribbon. Alright, these are the swatches of the new Lisa Eldridge lipsticks that are the new shades and new to me shades, and the last 3 old to me. And did I mention in the last bag, I also got it in the green. I know being sick just kind of throws you off a little bit, but I'm getting better, which is great. Alright, you guys, I hope this video wasn't too confusing with you guys. Bringing in new lipsticks, then glosses, then lipsticks, then glosses, and then bringing in old shades and bringing in another brand. But anywho, thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button so you can see more videos like this. And you all have a wonderful, wonderful day, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.